Hey there, everybody. It's your girl, Friendly Finance, here to help you navigate the exciting world of personal finance. And today, we're diving deep into something near and dear to my heart. Credit cards. Are you ready to make the most out of your spending in 2024? Let's dive into the best credit cards you should have in your wallet. I know. Credit cards can feel like a bit of a mystery sometimes, but trust me, when used responsibly, they can be powerful tools to earn rewards, save money, and even build your credit score. Over the years, I've learned a thing or two about maximizing my finances, and let me tell you, having the right credit card can make all the difference. So, whether you're a seasoned credit card pro or just starting out, get ready for some invaluable insights. First up, we're jet-setting with the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, a favorite among travel enthusiasts, and for good reason. This card is your golden ticket to earning valuable Chase Ultimate Rewards points, which can be redeemed for flights, hotels, car rentals, and so much more. Now, let's talk about the sign-up bonus, because who doesn't love a little something extra? Right now, you can earn a generous amount of bonus points after you spend a certain amount within the first 3 months of account opening. That's like a free trip right there. But the perks don't stop there. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred, you'll enjoy benefits like a $50 annual hotel credit, no foreign transaction fees, and primary rental car insurance. Imagine exploring the cobblestone streets of Rome or relaxing on the beaches of Bali, all while earning rewards. And here's the thing I love most about Chase Ultimate Rewards points: flexibility. You can transfer them to a variety of airline and hotel partners, giving you the freedom to choose the redemption options that best suit your travel style. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional adventurer, the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a fantastic option to elevate your travel experiences. It's like having a personal travel agent in your wallet, always ready to help you make the most of your journeys. So, if you're dreaming of your next getaway, the Chase Sapphire Preferred might just be your perfect travel companion. Remember, life's too short to stay in one place. Get out there and explore the world, and let your credit card reward you for it. Now, let's talk about a card that's close to my heart: the American Express Gold Card. This card is an absolute game changer for foodies and grocery shoppers alike. Imagine earning 4 times the points at restaurants worldwide and at US supermarkets. That's right, 4 times. Think about all the delicious meals you can enjoy, from cozy neighborhood bistros to Michelin-starred restaurants, all while racking up those precious membership rewards points. And let's not forget about those grocery runs. Whether you're stocking up on fresh produce or indulging in your favorite treats, you'll be earning rewards with every swipe. But the American Express Gold Card is more than just a foodie's dream. It also offers a generous annual dining credit that can be used at select restaurants, giving you even more ways to savor the flavors you love. And for those who love to travel in style, the card provides access to airport lounges worldwide through the Global Lounge Collection. Imagine escaping the hustle and bustle of the airport and relaxing in comfort before your flight. But here's the secret sauce that makes the American Express Gold Card so special: the experiences. From exclusive access to concert pre-sales and culinary events to curated travel packages, this card unlocks a world of unforgettable moments. So, if you're ready to elevate your dining and shopping experiences while enjoying a host of premium benefits, the American Express Gold Card is calling your name. It's time to treat yourself, honey. Now, let's talk about a card that's all about simplicity and value: the Citi Double Cash Card. This card is a favorite among those who prefer cashback rewards, and for a good reason. With the Citi Double Cash Card, you earn 1% cash back on every purchase you make, and another 1% when you pay your bill. It's that easy. Think about it. Every time you swipe your card, you're essentially putting money back in your pocket. Whether you're grabbing your morning coffee, filling up your gas tank, or treating yourself to something special, those cashback rewards add up quickly. And here's the beauty of it. There are no rotating categories to keep track of, no spending limits to worry about. Just straightforward, unlimited cash back on every single purchase. Now, some people might think that 2% cash back isn't a lot, but trust me, it's more than you might realize. Over time, those rewards can really add up, giving you extra cash to put towards your financial goals, whether it's paying down debt, investing for the future, or simply treating yourself to something nice. And here's the best part. The Citi Double Cash Card has no annual fee, which means you can enjoy all those cashback rewards without paying a dime in annual fees. So if you're looking for a no-frills cashback card that rewards you for every dollar you spend, the Citi Double Cash Card is a fantastic option. It's all about keeping things simple and maximizing your rewards. Now, let's talk about a card that's all about maximizing your cashback in specific categories, the Discover It Cashback Card. This card is known for its rotating bonus categories, which offer 5% cashback on purchases made at different places each quarter. Think about it. You could earn 5% cash back on gas in one quarter, then 5% back at restaurants the next, and so on. It's like having a personalized rewards program that adapts to your spending habits. But here's the real kicker. Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. That's right, they double your rewards. It's like getting a whole year of cash back for free. And the best part? The Discover It Cashback Card has no annual fee, so you can enjoy all those amazing rewards without paying a single penny in annual fees. Now, I know what you're thinking. Keeping track of rotating categories can be a bit of a hassle. But trust me, Discover makes it easy with their website and mobile app, which clearly show you the current bonus categories and let you track your rewards. So, if you're ready to take your cashback game to the next level and don't mind a little bit of planning, the Discover It Cashback Card is a fantastic option. It's all about maximizing your rewards and making your spending work harder for you. And last but not least, let's talk about a card that's perfect for frequent travelers. The Capital One Venture Rewards Card. This card is all about simplicity and flexibility, offering a flat rate of 2 miles per dollar on every purchase you make, with no blackout dates or restrictions. Think about it. Whether you're booking flights, hotels, rental cars, or simply buying groceries, you'll earn valuable miles that can be redeemed for travel. It's that easy. And here's the best part. Redeeming your miles is a breeze. You can use them to erase travel purchases directly through Capital One's website or mobile app, or you can transfer them to a variety of airline and hotel partners. The Capital One Venture Rewards Card also offers a generous sign-up bonus, giving you a head start on your next adventure. And with no foreign transaction fees, you can use your card abroad without worrying about any pesky fees. Now, I know what you're thinking. 2 miles per dollar might not seem like a lot compared to some of the other cards we've discussed. But here's the thing. The Capital One Venture Rewards Card is all about simplicity and flexibility. You don't have to worry about rotating categories, spending limits, or blackout dates. Just use your card, earn miles, and redeem them for the travel you want, when you want it. There you have it. The top credit cards to maximize your benefits in 2024. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Remember, the best credit card for you depends on your individual spending habits and financial goals. So, take some time to think about what's most important to you, whether it's travel rewards, cashback, or premium perks. And most importantly, always remember to use your credit cards responsibly. Pay your bills on time, stay within your credit limit, and only spend what you can afford. With a little planning and discipline, credit cards can be powerful tools to enhance your financial well-being.